What's going on, guys? You're watching Oscorp. Today we're going to be opening up Evolving Skies booster box number 17. Just again, we're going to go hit hunt. We're going to give away all the code cards. We're going to open up everything fast. We're going to pray to the dragon gods. Let's get a Rayquaza. Remember, pack's ready. And we are ready to go. Let's do this. Cold card, secret. Nice. I knew I was gonna pull this. I bought one for my friend and I knew I was gonna pull this. We got it. Ooh, another dragon. Rayquaza. Dragon gods. Arctovish, Ford. Suicune again. Medicham V. Garbage, we got garbage. Okay, last pack magic. It's not a dragon on the cover, but maybe we can get something good on this one. Let's see what is inside. My card. Green card. Okay, so I'm gonna go and put these cards away and we're gonna do a quick recap. Alright, here's the recap. Out of 36 packs, I got 12 hits, which is great. The first set is Suicune V, Golurk, and Garbage V, Medicham and Leafeon V, Rayquaza V, Dragon Gods helped me with that one. And Espeon VMAX. Don't know why it's so bright over here. This one. So I have this one for my master set. I'm helping my buddy as well, but I bought him this, thinking I was gonna pull it. We pulled it. Trevenant V. VMAX. Arctovish V full art. Another Dragon God pull. Thank you, Matt. Dragonite full art. we got a full face card, gold card. Alright, well thank you again for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching me pull all these cards. It's actually pretty amazing to pull 12 hits out of one box, and I'm amazed. I'm happy. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it as well. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel, leave me a comment, say hi. I'd like to hear what you guys think. So, and I'll see you guys soon.